They cycled all the way from Britain to Kigali. The journey started in May and it took them 70 days. They traveled 6,000 miles and passed through 14 countries.
The stresses, the strains, the emotions that we've all been through, the highs and lows that you get from pushing your body to doing 100, 120 miles a day. And for example, in Sudan, in the heat, we were cycling. Some days we've done 140 miles, 120, 140 miles in 45, 46 degree heat. It was extremely difficult.
The three riders, Julian Claxton, Peter Godwin and Peter White, are from Bury St. Edmunds. The town will host Rwanda athletes before the London Olympics and Paralympics. 28-year-old Peter White is the initiator of the Cycle to Rwanda journey.
Local council in Bury St Edmunds, along with the local sports centre, set up a charity, Sport for Rwanda, and I work for the local authority as one of their officers. And when I heard that they were wanting to seek out as many activities and challenges from people to help raise money for this charity, I came up with the idea of cycling to Rwanda. I think perhaps if I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have entered into it so blasé, but it's certainly been a challenge which I shall be very proud of for the rest of my life, and I'm sure the other guys are as well, and something that I'm very grateful I've been able to do and to travel here. So it was my idea.
Cycle to Rwanda was initiated to raise funds for the Sports for Rwanda charity. 31-year-old Peter Godwin believes the journey's target will be attained.
The idea is for Sport for Rwanda, the actual initiative is to raise £80,000, and that's to put sports equipment in 140 schools in Rwanda. Our contribution was around £10,000. We're somewhere near that at the moment. We're somewhere near 8,000, and we've still got more money to come in. The initiative is actually hasn't ended. It's actually due to go well into next year. So the idea is to roll it out into the schools progressively. But yeah, we've raised a chunk of money, and it's definitely going to make a difference.
Julian Claxton, Peter Godwin, and Peter White say they are non-professional riders. They occasionally use bicycles.